This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable friend requests on the Discord app. I will be using the desktop app on a PC for this. Let me jump over to Discord here. I have the Discord app opened up now. To enable or disable friend requests, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to the left side, down to where you see the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. That opens up Settings. And in the Settings dialog box, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to Content and Social. Click on Content and Social. Then on the center pane, I am on the Discord tab. I'm going to scroll all the way down toward the bottom, and at the bottom, Friend Requests. It gives you three different choices. Do I want everybody to send me friend requests? There's a toggle off to the right here. You could toggle that on or off. Do I want friend of friends to send me friend requests? There's a toggle over to the left-hand side. You could toggle it off or on. In the bottom thing, do I want server members to send me friend requests? I can enable that or disable it with this toggle right here. That is how to enable or disable friend requests on the Discord app. Thanks for watching.